I don't know what I'm going to talk about in this particular video, because whatever I'm going to talk about in this particular video, which is coming from my heart, it's gonna be really important, boys and girls. The topic of the video, where we should invest our time. If you really want to grow in your life, do not devote yourself with the wrong people. You should start devoting yourself with the right people, because they will do the right things, they will admire you, they will appreciate you, and they will motivate you, right? Imagine if you have been living with the wrong people from the last few years, what you will do? You will repeat same thing. Actually, you will do wrong thing. The very good reason behind of it, just imagine you are living in a room, 2 to 3 friends, or maybe whatever you can number imagine here, right? And you are also living in that room, and they are doing something like smoking, drinking, and going outside with the girls and chilling out in a bar like that, whatever you can imagine here, right? I don't care about those people, right? But imagine that you are living in that room. So what you will do? Whatever you are consuming right now, whatever you are observing, whatever you can see, right? Directly or indirectly, you are consuming something, right? Consciously, or you can say directly, or you can say indirectly, you are consuming something, right? So based upon your experience, based upon your thoughts, based upon your beliefs, over the time, your action will automatically convert on it, and you will act on it. Actually, after a month, years, or decades, you can imagine anything, but you will do definitely after a few years, because you are living in that room and you are consuming a lot of negative things, right? Imagine that you want to become a software engineer, right? But you are living in this kind of scenario, situation, or environment. So what you will do? You will be succeed in your life? Definitely you will not, right? You will not. You will never actually. So you will have to separate yourself from the bad people or wrong people, and you will have to find the right place or right people or right environment where you can utilize yourself, where you can grow in your life exponential. Because we have a limited amount of lifespan, 80 to maximum 100 years we can live on earth, or you can imagine anything right now, but we have a limited amount of lifespan, right? So you should start devoting yourself with the right people. Do not waste your time with the wrong people. My name is Ankit. If you like it, then give us thumbs up, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.